Hey there, do you know what you do after 7 p.m. quietly shapes the direction of your life? While most people switch off and drift through the evening, these simple choices can reset your mindset, protect your focus, and set you up to win tomorrow. Do these five things after 7 p.m., and you won't just end your day better, you will start changing your habits, your discipline, and ultimately your future. Yes, you hear that right. Join me this journey of self mastery and unveil your true potential. Watch this entire video to make your life never be the same again. Do these five things after 7 p.m., your life will never be the same. Introduction. Discover five simple things you can do before 7 p.m. that can change your life. Just five simple steps might lead to significant changes in your life. These actions can lead to personal growth and a happier tomorrow. We all know that life can be tumultuous and sometimes it feels like we are just along for the ride. But what if you find that there are five simple things you can do before the day ends that can help you change your life? Yes, that's right. Your routine before the clock strikes 7 p.m. can be your secret weapon for personal growth and a happier tomorrow. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive in to find out more about the same. Reflect on your day. Before you slip under the covers, take a moment to reflect on your day. Think about the highs and lows, the things that made you smile, and those moments that challenged you. Reflection is like a mental snapshot of your life and it can help you make sense of your experiences. It's a chance to celebrate your victories and learn from your mistakes. Disconnect from work and screens. We are all guilty of it, scrolling through social media or binge watching Netflix until we can't wait. But here is the deal, screens emit blue light that messes with your sleep cycle. So disconnect at least an hour before bedtime. Instead, read a book, take a warm bath, practice some gentle yoga stretches, or even 5 minutes of meditation will make a big difference. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Plan for tomorrow. You know that feeling of waking up with a mile long to do list already looming over your head? It's stressful. To avoid that, take a few minutes before bed to plan your next day. Jot down your priorities, set achievable goals, and organize your schedule. This simple step can reduce anxiety and make your mornings much smoother. Try once and you will really thank me. Breathe deeply. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. It might sound clinch, but deep breathing can work wonders. It calms your nervous system, reduces stress, and sets a peaceful tone for bedtime. Try some relaxing meditation or deep breathing exercises to clear your mind and doze you off to sleep. Practice self care. Before you tuck yourself in, indulge in some self care. Whether it's reading a chapter of that book you have been neglecting or pampering yourself with a skincare routine, self care is essential. It's a way to remind yourself that you matter and you deserve to be taken care of. It rejuvenates your spirit and sets a positive tone for the night. I hope you enjoyed this video and that the information was useful in unveiling your true potential. Stay tuned for more informative videos that can enhance your lives and make them more rewarding. As we conclude this incredible journey together, remember that the adventure doesn't end here. Continue exploring other videos at Profound Insights under the Self Mastery Unveil Your True Potential playlist. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback will motivate me to create more videos like this. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching for the stars. Thank you.